Oh my goodness, yes, it's time for this kind of video. We are looking through the lens of the Arpara 5K, a new headset, my very first headset with a micro OLED display. And wow, check it out. Check out the perfect blacks. Yes, what you see here is filmed through the lens. Absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because more of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sebastian Ank, and if you are excited about virtual reality, and obviously you are, because if you wouldn't be watching this video, then absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, because you don't want to miss them since I'm bringing you the latest in VR and AR. Whenever I show you through the lens footage of a headset first, before showing you the unboxing, before showing you anything, that means I'm excited and I want to bring this to you as soon as possible. And that is the case here with the Arpara 5K, my very first headset that only has a micro OLED display. And you're looking at it right now. Look at these perfect blacks. Look at that resolution where you cannot see any kind of screen door effect anymore. And simply enjoy this contrast. And especially for this headset, I chose this really dark scene in Half-Life Alyx just to show you what really no other headset that is not OLED can show you. Like, check this out. Everything is black, but there's the ceiling, right? And you can see this kind of bluish color, and it's really unlike in any other headset if it also isn't an OLED headset. This is incredible. And this indeed is my very first headset. Here it is, by the way. This is the Arpara headset together with that Nolo tracking, which is not so great, honestly speaking, but I will get to that in another video. This is just about the displays and the lenses. Let's get to the next scene. We're still in Half-Life Alyx here. So, my first headset with only a micro OLED display. I did have a headset that did have a micro OLED display before. There was, and still is, the Oled VR, which has like a micro OLED display as a focus display, as in to give you that incredible human vision, pixel per degree resolution. But around that, it still has a normal LCD panel, right? And here it is only micro OLED, and wow. The colors. It is just unbelievable. Again, I chose these dark scenes here in Half-Life Alyx just to show you the contrast. The contrast of dark, that it's dark, but it's still beautiful colors on top of that dark, like the lamp, for example, or anything that you see here. It is just so beautiful to see that here through the lens, and also when you're in the headset, of course. You can get this headset, the Arpara 5K tethered, for $599, but do not get it. Do not get it right now, because this is the tethered version, which doesn't come with its own tracking. You would have to buy the Nolo tracking on top of it, and you don't want to do that. It's simply not good enough. So they are working, though, on... Here, you see, I lost tracking at this moment. Here we go again. Yeah. And it looks like the crazy professor's lab. Don't worry about that. This is just how it is here. Yeah, so I was talking about the tracking, and well, they are working on a Steam VR Lighthouse module that you would pop onto this, and then you could enjoy this with your Lighthouse tracking and with your Valve Index controllers, for example. And that is what I'm absolutely excited about. Also, they're working on an Arpara all-in-one, where basically you have exactly these Pancake lenses and you have exactly the same screen, this OLED screen, this micro OLED screen. Oh, check this out. I couldn't see it like this in other headsets. It's so beautiful. But, well, with inside-out tracking, with 4 cameras on the sides, just like the Quest, and with controllers that are tracked by those 4 cameras. And wow, I'm so excited about this, because playing Half-Life Alyx with this kind of quality as far as colors are concerned and as far as the resolution is concerned, but then with great tracking, wow. I want this. I really, really want this. And the form factor is just so spectacular. This device that you saw here right now, that you're seeing through the lens here now, weighs 200 grams. Yes, 200 grams. And well, I'm going to bring you the full unboxing video and all the stuff that I normally do. I'm going to bring it to you really soon, but I needed to bring you this through the lens video first. So, no idea when this all-in-one is going to come out, but I want it. I really want it. So, for the lenses, these are Pancake lenses. Again, these are the lenses that are in the future versions of the Project Cambria from Facebook. You know, that Quest successor, they will also have them. And they are completely clear, just like aspheric lenses. So there is no God rays whatsoever. It has a beautiful sweet spot. As you can tell here, you don't see anything funny around the edges, right? Because, well, you have this beautiful sweet spot. You don't have God rays. You have a super clear picture. And on top of all of that, you can adjust the diopter settings. So you do not have to wear your glasses in those, and I love that. I want all headsets to come with this diopter setting. It is absolutely fantastic. Of course, now you're wondering, so Sebastian, tell us about the FOV. How is it like? It must be super small, right? And no, I was surprised. So vertically, actually, this has more than the Quest 2. I was so surprised by the vertical FOV. And horizontally, it has around the same of the Quest 2. And for such a small device that looks so much better than the Quest 2, just check this out. Check out the resolution, check out the colors. It is really nice to have this kind of really nice standard FOV, even a bit more vertically than the Quest 2. I was so surprised by this. Just look at this glove here. Look at it. It is great. It's beautiful. And I don't know how many times I will still take through the lens videos of this glove, but wow, it seems to get better and better every single time I make these videos. It is so cool because of the colors and of the resolution, and everything is kind of coming together here in this 200 grams device that now costs $600. But again, do not buy this. We need better tracking, right? We need that all-in-one device, or we need the Lighthouse module. Absolutely. So is everything just perfect? No. They have said this had 120 Hertz, and honestly speaking, no, it does not have that. On that biggest resolution, that 5K, which is like 2,500 times something, you only get 30 Hertz. So this was unplayable. What you see now is like 1,920 by 1,920 per eye, and there you could get to 60 Hertz, and yeah, that was playable. That was fine. Then there was a 120 Hertz mode, and then the resolution would go down to 1080, but unfortunately, they did not optimize it. It had some problems. I couldn't use that mode. And then 1080, you probably don't want to play like this, right? You want it to look like this. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna get back to the company and ask what's with this 1080p mode and why it didn't work. Anyways, what do you think of this? What do you think of this micro OLED headset? Please do let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section and destroy that like button. We need that for the algorithm so that more people will find this channel. And you know what? If you have not subscribed to this channel, absolutely do that now so that you don't miss videos like this. And you know what? Now I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.